Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just demo how to draw using the 1-point perspective drawing technique, but this time we are going to tackle the low eye level. So this time we are going to place our horizon line towards the bottom. So right here, I'm aligning this edge to the number 1. And then right here where this mark is, I'm going to go ahead and make my mark there. It should be a 1-inch mark. Okay, from there, I'm going to go ahead and bring my ruler and just connect those. This is the sky, this is the ground, and the line that separates the sky from the ground, this is known as the horizon line. Okay, at the low eye level, what is happening is basically your eyes are below the horizon line, and so this means that maybe you were taking a nap and you were lying on some grass, or maybe you fell over or you tripped, and so now you're just lower to the ground. Okay, and so this time we're going to go ahead and I'm going to align this edge over here, and so at the halfway inch, so the half-inch mark, we're going to go ahead and make our vanishing point. Up here, I have the 1-point perspective technique already written out, so we're just going to go ahead and take a look at that. We have our left rays will be green, and our right rays will be pink. And so now we're going to go ahead and tackle this worksheet. All right, so we're going to draw closer to the center, more to the right of the worksheet, and so I'm going to kind of align my ruler with the edge right here of the rectangle, and I'm going to make my cube 1 inch. So right here at the half-inch, and then the half-inch over here, that'll make 1 inch. All right, then from here we're going to go ahead and from the half-inch to the half-inch, this will make 1 whole inch. All right. On this side, we don't have to really measure it correctly because we've already measured it correctly on this side. And so from here, we can just kind of erase. All right. And so the first step, 1 square, that's drawn, done. Okay, next step is 4 rays. These 2 corners are on the left side. These 2 corners, they're on the right. So the ones on the left, we're going to align our ruler from the corner to the vanishing point here, this left corner to the vanishing point. And so now we're going to go ahead and tackle the right side. So from here to there, and then from here to there. Okay, notice that the rays, the green and the pink right here, they're really close to one another. Please pay attention that you are adding those vertical lines and the horizontal lines in the correct areas. Okay, right now we have our 4 rays. So the very first line is going to be the vertical line. I'm going to start over here because it might be a little bit easier to see here. And I went ahead and I added my vertical line here because it's going to always connect the rays that are on the same side. And technically, this right here and this right here, they're both on the left side, so that's why we went ahead and reconnected it. Okay. Next, we have 1 horizontal line. Horizontal lines, they're side to side. And I'm going to go ahead and place it here. And so I want you guys to really check this out. I connected this horizontal line to this green ray all the way to this pink ray. And the reason is this pink ray is connected to this bottom corner and this green ray is connected to this bottom corner. So they're technically both on the same side. They're on the bottom. So that's why we're connecting them there. All right. And so far, this line is mimicking this one, and this line is mimicking this one. So we always want those to repeat. So now we have that horizontal line. Check. 1 more vertical. The vertical is going to go from pink to pink. These are both on the right side. They're connected to the right-hand corners. So we're going to go ahead and connect those with the vertical line. And then lastly, we have this right here. All right. And so this horizontal line is being connected to this right here because it's connected to the top right hand corner, and then this one right here because it's also connected to the top corner even though it's on the left. And so now when we're looking at objects from a low viewpoint, typically we should be on the ground or we should be a little bit lower. And so what that means is we actually get to see the bottom of the object. So right here, we're going to go ahead and just kind of shade it really, really dark so that we can kind of see the difference in that dimension. Okay, the front face is going to be lighter. And then the side is going to be that middle, not too dark, not too light. All right, go ahead and tackle the next cube over here in this area. And remember, all of your rays should still be over here. It is 1 point perspective, so you shouldn't be adding another point. There should be only 1 point on the horizon line, okay? All right, try it out yourselves, guys.